Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Yusri. Please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly add to my channel and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I drop new video on how to make money online. So with that being said, let's get started. Today I'll be showing you 5 websites where you can make money just testing apps and websites. How do you see that? So the first website here is Bettertesting.com. So here at Bettertesting.com, you just test new products, apps and websites and get paid for your feedbacks on the apps and websites you test. So all you have to do is go to bettertesting.com and you click on the drop down at the top right corner here. Then you will see become a tester. Then you click on become a tester. So you will be taken to this page. Then you enter your Gmail and click on sign up. After you sign up, you'll be prompt to answer some surface. So after you answer the surface, then you begin to test apps and websites. Then you begin to make money. Is that not good? So better test new exciting products from companies like Typeform, the New York Times, Musical Club Group, Ember Light. So who is eligible to participate on bettertesting.com? You must be at least 18 years old, must be able to speak and write fluently in English, must own a PC or Mac or any device required for a specific test. It's not a must you have a PC. Your phone can also do some tests, but it will be an added advantage to have a PC. So how much money can you make? Beta testing is a fun way to make a few dollars on the side and help impact product development for exciting new products, but it isn't meant to replace a job. The number of tests you receive depends on how many clients match your interests and demographics and your quality feedback history. You may receive anywhere from 0 to 5 opportunities each month, as you can see. So how are payments made? Payments are made via PayPal 7 days after the end of the project. This allows the product owner to review, rate and approve your feedback. Is that not good? So this is all about bettertesting.com. So the second website you are going to be using is called Usalytics.com. So on Usalytics.com, you will see on the top right corner, you see client login, tester login, and tester sign up. If you already have an account, you just go to tester login and log in your account. But if you don't have an account yet, you go to tester sign up. Click on tester sign up to take us to the tester page. So on Usalytics.com, you get paid to test websites and apps. 1. Register and earn money by completing the short and easy form on this page and join our global community of beta testers. 2. Interact with webs or mobile app or other type of digital assets and speak your thoughts and emotions out loud as you do so, and answer a few questions. User testing is fun. It's all fun though. Get paid via PayPal. Once your test results has been approved, depending upon the user test projects, you can be paid. Depending upon the user test project, you can be paid $5, $10, $15, $20 or other amounts. Some of our projects pay as much as $90. Wow! For having fun expressing opinions while navigating the web. Isn't this good? So all you have to do is input your email and sign up. I confirmed that I'm 16 years old of age or older. I agree to the terms and services, then you sign up. So that's all about Usalytics. So the next one here is Userpick.com. So here on Userpick.com, you get paid to test websites. All you have to do is sign up and visit a website or an mobile app, complete a set of tasks, thinking out loud, and get paid, as you can see. So what does a website tester do? Userpick pays tester to visit a website or app, complete a set of tasks, and speak their thoughts out loud. Tester gets paid for every 15 to 20 minutes the test they complete. Special expertise is not necessary to get started in website testing. It doesn't matter if you have experience or not. So as you can see, all you have to do is sign up, download the Chrome extension. If you're using an iPhone, you can download the iOS app, or if you're using an Android, you can download the Android app. Then start testing. Speak out your thoughts while going through a set of tasks for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Then you receive your payment and get paid via PayPal. So that's it. So what do I need to start testing website? To become a Userpick website tester, you do not need much. However, there are some requirements that you have to meet to be able to test websites and get paid. a PC or Mac, a stable internet. Yeah, you have internet, that's how you're watching this video. Your iPhone or Android, any mobile phone you're using, so you can use it to take text. Ability to use the Chrome browser or download our iOS or Android app. So you need to be able to think out loud in clearly spoken English. I think that's everybody understand English. You need to be at least 18 years old. So you need to be able to receive PayPal payments in your country. How much will I get paid as a website tester? You earn up to $10 for every 15 to 20 minutes website testing video that is approved. So that's all about. The next website we'll be using now is trymyui.com. So on trymyui.com, you get paid to use websites and apps and gives your honest feedback, as you can see. So these sites are have common thing. So all you have to do is test websites and apps and get paid into your PayPal. So at Try My UI, we help make the web easier for everyone to use by letting designers and coders see the obstacles that real people run into on their sites and apps. All you have to do as a tester is be yourself. Use the test website as lastly as you would in a real life situation and voice your thoughts and frustration out loud so the site developer can understand your experience and others like you. You'll be paid $10 for each test you take. A typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. Sign up now to start making the web or more friendly. So all you have to do is input your full name, your PayPal email, password, and confirm your password. Then click I'm not a robot, then submit. So after that, you can start testing on trymyui.com and get. So the last but not the least, the last website here is Usertesting Com. Here at Usertesting Com, you get paid to share your perspective with global brands. It's also testing product. So earn a little extra money in your spare time by helping brand build better products and experience for people around the world. So all you have to do is input your email, then click the I have read and agreed the time use and prophecy tick and click on get started. So how it works: apply, submit your email, and take a quick practice test to join our global network of trusted contributors. So you have to take a test here. Once you apply, then browse, answer screening question to match with test opportunity. New tests are released all time. So you take a screening question so that they can match you with available opportunity. So test, share your perspective via test you match with, and help best in class brand improve their products and services. So test the product, then make money. Earn $4 for every 5-minute test, $10 for every 20-minute test, and between 30 to $120 for live interview. Wow! So you can make money here by doing live interview. So this is the last website on my 5 websites to make money testing apps on websites online. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I drop new video on how to make money online. Thank you.